scribes attack in Lahore region, one arrested. Hello, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, your visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a shocking incident, two scribes were attacked on Tuesday night in a biscuit factory based in Lahore region. The incident has sent shock waves among the media fraternity and the local people of the area, which is becoming synonymous with illegal activities. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The incident took place at around 10:30 on Tuesday night at Cake Square Bakery factory when the police and two reporters, Prakash Gogoi and Naren Hajarika, entered the premise for inspection. The two scribes were immediately taken to Dimapur for medical treatment and are in stable condition. Following this, case number 16420 UC 294 326 379 and 506 was registered with the Khatkati police station by reporter Naren Hajarika. In this connection, a man was later arrested by Khatkati police and more development are expected to take place in this case, which has been vehemently condemned by people of the hill districts. Meanwhile, the incident has also brought to fore the grave concerns among the local residents over many illegal activities inside Lahore region, as the town has become the hotbed for many shady business and activities due to its proximity with Dimapur, the commercial city of neighboring state Nagaland. Later, a memorandum in demand for stringent action against the culprits was submitted to Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner through the Bokajan SDO Civil at 12 p.m. on Thursday. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident that took place on Thursday, two youths were killed on the spot in a road accident along NH36 in Puloni area of Karbi Anglong. Here is a report. The incident took place at a place between Puloni and Tarabasa under Uttar Borbel police station. The two youths, identified as Asghar Ali and Akibul Rahman, was on a bike when they met the fatal accident. According to locals, the bike was moving at a very high speed when it ran out of control and met the horrifying end. Further, eyewitnesses told media persons that overspeeding was the cause of the accident, which claimed their lives. Local police rushed to the spot and sent the bodies to Deepu for postmortem. The deceased were identified as 26 years old Asghar Ali, son of Abdul Majid, and 35 years old Akibul Rahman, son of Hobibul Rahman. Both the deceased were residents of Rongchingrom Deepu, and the two persons were on their way from Deepu to Haldiati to attend the funeral of their father-in-law when the incident took place. Diljana Rongpi from Puloni, along with Sarpangri Inti from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Karbi Anglong Mom's Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kachapatielong. Kachapati journey lake, matijong ni phai krehini, adim lake Joycing Doloi Auditorium Hall, Deepu. Laban ning chibik tha, bang suarni, kelang dona bang pubang piatum an setamin, ang hodi kachiku, ting ningki. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Local NGO Jambeli on Thursday distributed blankets, warm clothes and mosquito nets to families of Bornirja and Mathuram Terang village. Awareness programs were also held at the two villages. The charity program was carried out by the local NGO Jambeli as part of their aim of providing assistance to the needy families of interior villages who faces extreme hardships due to lack of warm clothes and freezing weather. The NGO group conducted awareness program related to dangers of drugs, abuse and addiction, need for quality education, job and career-oriented courses, and development of various skills. The program was attended by village headman Kangbura Terang, teacher Rang Terang, youth leader Sunil Terang, and several others including men and women of the village. Later, after the program, the villagers also expressed their gratitude to the NGO and also lauded all of its members for carrying out the noble program. Meanwhile, Dehuri Rongpi village headman Boson Rongpi and huge numbers of the Bornirja village also expressed their happiness and conveyed their gratitude towards Jambili for extending their helping hands towards the villagers through such noble initiatives.
La Jambili NGO potum pini la dak Dehuri Rongpi la pen asoterang rong la pen ke jong hartimu rong asorafan kidu kelak ba kecongdat awar sai kawi atum fansi alang atum panongsi pini kang sama porohut pekumbor la pen ke musuri hai hu samelang tum ron pono
la hang tum NGO hin pen hitum kidu kelak la pen hong ha hong ru pekok ki kang hong ka thelo phan song thak akang hon ka jin su kirap the ka bang ke la so NGO ai hin phan ke hin ke chorol
Kini Depa 24 nong Depani constituency ang kang parlo madram terang arong dagar ki do ara tum han itum ki du kelak mati ki claim ki dam abar sai ka via job thekdam long sinil tum dak na humri lo alang itum han tum Jambili team ahin pen sitami alang tum han thanga son da pipa jir mon muwe bon sitami non kang sama pornang ke lesi nilitum alang tum han blanket la pende kachi hinga mustu di sitami itum ningkang sampen itum pajir pon lo.
Subhas Terang report from Langchathing for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.